looked in your eyes, I thought for a moment that you were still mine. But then I remembered that it's been so long since I held you close while the band played our song. So would you like to dance with an old memory and go back in time like it used to be? Does your heart still burn for an old flame like me? Would you like to dance with an old memory? Close together, that old feeling starts, and it's just like we never drifted apart. We both burned some bridges, we both made mistakes, but tonight let me hold you just for old time's sake. Like to dance with an old